Hey everybody, let's talk about cranberries. So cranberry juice is extremely beneficial for flushing out and helping to get rid of urinary tract infections or bladder infections. That's one common way to see cranberries being used. But cranberries have a super high antioxidant rate. They rate very high compared to other berries and other foods. Also, they're just in general kind of anti-cancer, an anti-cancer food, largely due to their anti-inflammatory properties as well. And so you're going to get the most benefit from the cranberry if you can have it raw and whole, because you're going to get the fiber and you're going to get those nutrients that haven't been messed with by heating. And so again, a lot of times you see cranberries in the form of juice, and so you're not going to get the fiber and the good nutrients in as dense of of an amount. So this salad that we're going to work on is really wonderful, and it's sweetened with apple, orange, and dates. And so we're going to take 12 ounces of cranberries and wash them, use a colander, and from there take your washed cranberries and run them through your food processor. And I've already I just ran them through for about a minute, or not even that, just long enough for all the cranberries to be chopped. I also cored, I didn't peel, but I cored one apple, just a nice kind of whatever, just a sweet apple. This is a gala. And you don't need to peel it, but core it obviously. And then I used more of the pulse version of the food processor rather than just straight turn it on, because I think that kind of purees it into like applesauce, and we don't necessarily want that. So I want little, so just kind of try to get it to where the apple is chunked up uniformly. Then I also took one orange and I zested the entire orange and into the salad. Now we're going to finish with the rest of the orange. So I peeled that orange that I zested, and I have 8 ounces of peeled or pitted dates, unsweetened pitted dates. So we're going to run that through the food processor, and we're almost done with our salad. So it's really easy. Okay, so let's take a big spoon. We'll stir in the dates and orange. And then this salad is going to be better after it has sat, or maybe even refrigerated for at least an hour. The longer that it sits, really the better, because the flavors have a chance to kind of meld together, and that the dates and that orange and the apple can all help to sweeten up the cranberries. So we allow that to mix all together. And then you have a wonderfully healthy, simple, raw, and ready-to-go salad that's really hearty with all of those cranberries, and it's going to be so heart-healthy and just beneficial in all ways for your digestive system, and just, again, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, lots of antioxidants that are going to help just benefit your health. So try that raw cranberry salad with apple, orange, and dates.